Mastering FaceTime. Turning off call notifications.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of FaceTime and how to control its notifications to increase your privacy. Specifically, we'll be talking about how to turn off FaceTime call notifications to prevent others from knowing when you're on a call. This feature can be particularly useful if you don't want to be disturbed or you want to keep your activities private.
What are FaceTime call notifications?
FaceTime call notifications are alerts you receive when someone is trying to reach you via FaceTime. These can be audible alerts, badges, or banners that pop up on your device's screen. When you're on a FaceTime call, these notifications may interrupt your ongoing call or indicate to others that you're currently engaged in a call. Turning these off can help ensure a smoother, more private experience.
How to access FaceTime settings on your device.
Let's begin by accessing FaceTime settings on your iPhone or iPad. 1. Open the Settings app. It's an icon that resembles a set of gears. 2. Scroll down and tap FaceTime. This is typically located in the fifth grouping of menu options.
How to turn off FaceTime call notifications.
After you've navigated to the FaceTime settings, follow these steps to turn off the call notifications. 1. From the FaceTime settings, go back to the main settings menu. 2. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. 3. In the Notifications menu, find and select FaceTime. 4. Under the Alert section, turn off the toggle switches next to the types of alerts you want to disable. These options typically include Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners. 5. If you don't want any notification sounds or vibrations, scroll down to the Sounds and Vibration Patterns section and set the sound and vibration to none. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off your FaceTime call notifications. This should help make your FaceTime experience more private and less distracting. Remember, you can always go back and change these settings if you decide you want your notifications back. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.